Chelsiejayy here. Today we're going to be filming this neutral, soft makeup look, okay? Like, we giving eyes, we giving face, we giving hair, okay? We coming with it today. So hopefully you guys enjoy this video. Welcome to my channel and thank you so much for coming through. Here on my channel, I do more so beauty videos, beauty content, lifestyle videos are coming soon, and I also do try on hauls. So if that sounds like something that you're interested in watching, make sure that you subscribe and set your notifications today. If you have been watching, thank you so much, girl, for coming back. So I'm gonna stop talking. Hopefully you guys enjoy this get ready with me. That's about it. I love you all, and let's just go ahead and get into it. Okay, sis, so let's just go ahead and get ready. I do have to get used to this blonde. I keep looking at myself in my monitor because I'm just like, who is she? Like, blonde hair? Y'all know I'm a black or brown type of girl. So we're gonna see how long I keep this blonde in, but yeah, let's just go ahead and get into the tutorial. And this is the Milk Vegan moisturizer. This moisturizer is bomb, okay? It's bomb. I really do like it. It makes your foundation lay really smoothly. So I'm just gonna apply that first before I apply my primer. What has been going on this week, you guys? I haven't been doing anything, honestly, since the pandemic started. I have not been doing anything. I don't know about everybody else. Everybody else has been living their best life, you know, going out and about, and I just have not yet. Like, I have not done anything. Yeah, everybody has pretty much been living their best life, and I'm just looking like, wow, really wish I could go out right now. Well, I really wish I could just, you know, I've been going out to eat. That's about as much as I've been doing. Like, that's it. So I'm also going to try to put out 3 videos for you guys, so be on the lookout for that. I'm sure you're going to enjoy it because I'm going to do like a lifestyle video. So I'm going to attempt to vlog. Don't hold me to it. I'm not going to tell you that it's just going to be the best vlog ever, but I'm going to attempt to vlog this week. I think I'm going to start tomorrow, which is Tuesday. Tomorrow should be Tuesday. That's when this video is going to go up. So yeah, I should have a vlog for you guys on Sunday. My filming schedule is going to be Tuesday, Thursday, and Sunday for right now. I may change it depending on, like, you know, how my videos are getting seen and that type of thing, but that's what it's going to be for right now. So make sure that you set your notifications, girl. If you have not done so, go ahead and do that right now. For foundation today, I'm going to be using the Anastasia. This is the luminous foundation. Like, keep in mind, I am an oily girl, but for some reason I like this foundation. Call it weird, I know. Like, you oily and you using a luminous foundation. How does that work? I don't even know. I can't even explain it to you, sis. But it works for me, okay? And my brushes are still dirty, like they were last time. I know. I should do better. I'm gonna do better, I promise. Let me clip this hair back. I tried to be like arrogant a little bit today. I'm not sure how well I did on that, but I'm just taking that foundation, and it's in the shade 430. Because I haven't been washing my brushes, y'all, I'm like praying I don't get like major breakouts, because it's gonna be my fault. It's gonna be nobody's fault but Chelsea's, because she don't like to wash her brushes. If you're like me and you hate washing brushes, comment below. And to blend that out, I'm gonna take my Sigma Flat Kabuki brush. This is the F80 brush. This is like a holy grail brush for foundation. Next, I'm gonna go in with this. This is a Maybelline concealer that they sent to me in PR, but I just like the undertone of it, so I'm just gonna add like 3 little drops at the bottom of my face. I'm gonna let that sit a little bit, and I'm also gonna mix it with this is the Milk Flex concealer, and it looks like this, and this is how it looks at the front. So I'm going to take that and mix it with my foundation today. I like to let my concealers dry down a bit. I'm adding just a little bit more of that Maybelline because I'm going for like a brighter under eye today. I say that now, but it could turn out like normal. And you guys, let me know, how did you enjoy the my Kukri series from last week, because I'm going to start a new one. The one on Thursday is going to be a soft matte. I also, while that's like setting in, I'm going to take the Caudalie spray. Y'all know I don't know how to pronounce it. I honestly don't know if it makes a difference, to be honest. I wouldn't just say like you have to go out and get this, but it's just I like the smell of it and it just feels really nice, but I can't really speak to whether or not it's really doing something, you know what I'm saying? I feel like it turns out the same. It doesn't look like extremely different when I use this product. So I wouldn't just say you have to go out and get it, girl, but I'm just gonna put it on and cover my lace. And it just gives you like that refreshing, it's like a hint of mint like kind of smell. It gives you like a minty type vibe. So if you don't like that, then I wouldn't recommend this product, but it's just something nice to have. I'm gonna take my dirty beauty sponge and blend out my highlighted areas. So I'm going to let the highlight on my nose just sit a little bit longer. Then I'm going to add my contour. You know, I use the Anastasia Walnut. This is their foundation stick, but I like to use it as a contour. So I'm going to blend it up into my brow as well. I know we're looking so crazy right now, but hopefully you stay with me, girl, because I think it's going to turn out really nice. To blend out my nose contour, I'm taking a wide shader brush. This is the E59 brush. I'm also taking this Anastasia A30 brush. This is a fluffy brush by Anastasia, and I'm going to take that contour and blend it up into my brow. Now I'm going to blend out the highlighted portion on my nose. And to set under my eye, I'm going to take this powder puff. And I got this from their hair store. And I just did a light set so that it wouldn't be like transferring everywhere. I'm just going to lightly brush across my brows so that they won't be ashy looking or gray. So, what is it? No, Ulta had their pencils on sale. I'm on Benefit's PR list. I'm using the Precisely My Brow pencil, and I'm going to use this to carve out my brows. This is the Benefit Precisely My Brow, and I think it's in the shade 5 or 4.5. I want to say 5 though. Before I contour my face, I'm just going to work on my eyes a little bit. I'm going to take the medium to dark contour. This is by Black Radiance. And I'm gonna set my lids just a little bit so they won't be like transferring every single place. I'm just gonna take that powder and work it up into my brows. Comment below and tell me what type of looks you guys like prefer. I like natural looks lately because they just flow so much better to me. I don't know about y'all, but they just hit like a lot better. You know, sometimes you do want to go dramatic and just do the extra, but I really like just a natural look. I'm trying to think, do I want to do like a shimmer on the lids? I think I am. I'm going to take this Morphe, this is their, I think this is their, just like their highlighting palette, but I be using it for like eyeshadow sometimes. So I'm going to take that with my finger. I'm going to take the shade Galactic, and I think, yeah, so it's this shade right here, just to add like a little bit of contrast or just a little bit of extra pop to the lid. Again, like I said, we're not doing, and I'm taking my finger too to blend it out. This is not gonna be like a super drama type of look. As you can see, the look is not super done up. I'm gonna go back around with that the contour shade in the Black Radiance palette, and I'm just going to go around that shimmer just to blend everything in. While that's setting, I'm taking my Ruby Kisses brush. This is my favorite Ruby Kisses brush. I take that Black Radiance powder, dust it off a little bit first, and then start setting the rest of my face. Okay, sis, so I have an idea. Maybe I can do liner, but just not go dramatic. I say that now, but yeah, maybe just not like bring it out, or if I do bring it out, like make it small and then exaggerate it in the front. What y'all think? I think this is cute. It's like nice and natural. That's what I was going for today. Nothing crazy. So I'm gonna use my NYX. This is the NYX Cosmetics matte liner. So now I'm going to set my face. I'm taking the Urban Decay All Nighter Spray. This is the travel size. And I'm going to spray and set my face, and then we're going to move on to the lips. So y'all know my holy grail is the ColourPop BFF3 lip liner. Next, I'm going to go in with the Pastel Pink. This is their lip gloss. This is the Anastasia lip gloss. Hopefully you guys enjoy this video. Definitely give me a thumbs up, girl. Make sure that you subscribe. Make sure that you set your notifications so that you won't miss a slay with your girl Chelsiejayy. This week I will also be giving you that soft matte cut crease tutorial, so hopefully that goes well when we film it. But yeah, so this video should go up on Tuesday. Let me know about the filming schedule and how you think that you would like that. Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Sundays, I think that's what I'm going to be posting and filming on here. So yeah, I think that's it, you guys. Hopefully you enjoyed this really natural makeup glam. Like, when you get dressed and you're not feeling yourself, girl, get back in the mirror and tell yourself that you're a baddie, period. Okay, like, you bad. That's just that on that. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. I think that is it. I love you all so much, and I can't wait to see you in my next one.